how to make hot mocha. Espresso and hot chocolate powder. You just put the hot chocolate powder with 2 shots of espresso, one each cup, and take milk. And we have to steam milk little bit more hot, just like latte. You have to steam milk that your palm can't able to you can't able to comfortable with your palm to touching the milk, and then you have to mix your hot chocolate with espresso, just like that. And this is the very best drink in hot beverage. Let's start. Your hot mocha. This is your first hot mocha. And this is the another one. This is your hot mocha.
Cruzo la frontera a mi manera y así bailando bye. Cruzo la frontera con...
Prepare for launch in 3, 2, 1.
Likey